Hey guys, Bradpianoman. This is my first video in hopefully a series of many that I shall make. Basically what I do tutorials, I do piano covers. I've been playing piano by ear for a really long time, since I was like 5. This is my first video. It's Fire and Rain by James Taylor, also made famous by Birdie. Hope you like it. So that's my first video actually. I hope you like it. I'm actually going to be doing a bunch of tutorials soon, which is going to basically be teaching you guys how to play a bunch of songs. I have a bunch of Beatles piano covers coming up, In My Life, Penny Lane, hopefully Eleanor Rigby, possibly Yellow Submarine. So stay here, keep watching my videos. See you guys next time.